watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hello, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and today is Mystery Box Day. So we have a new Cricut mystery box for you, and this one is specific for Joy. But even if you don't have a Joy, everyone can use this. This is Cricut's Joy Silver Lining Mystery Box, and it does come with a Cutie. I'm going to go ahead and show you the Cutie first. So this is Cricut's Canyon Cutie. Now this Cutie was released once. It did come out earlier this year in the Canyon Hues box, but it's the only time it's been released, and I believe that box sold out in less than an hour when it came out. So this is a nude, it's like nude peachy color. Here is the coral next to it. And then, hold on, Tinkerbell's got a wing. I made this Cutie Tinkerbell for Cutie costume, which by the way is still going on and you can enter. We're gonna have two $50 winners this weekend. And then here it is next to Peach Kiss also. So the one in the middle here is our new Canyon. So first in the box, well, second in the box, because the Cutie's first, we are getting Smart Vinyl. This is removable in the coffee color. So a great brown color, and you're gonna get 5.5 by 48 inches of this. So any of the Smart Joy materials, they are the width to feed in the Joy, and you don't need a mat to do so. Now, if you're not using it with a Joy, that's totally fine. You can still use all of these. You just will put it on a mat versus put it in without a mat, which you usually do with Smart materials. And we're also getting some Cricut Joy Smart Label. This is dissolvable paper. So this is really cool if you're going to label like food containers for meal prep, potlucks, taking meals into the office or whatever, or just to put like dates on them when you made them. They're dissolvable. So you just put your container in water, soak it for 30 seconds, and these literally dissolve and wipe right off. So this is 5.5 inches by 3 feet. And again, it's Smart material. So in the Joy, you don't have to put it on a mat, but if you're not using a Joy, you would just put it on a mat. And we're getting some glitter gel pens for the Cricut Joy. So these you're gonna get neon pink, neon orange, and neon yellow. And then these are made to fit in the Joy. They also fit in the Joy Extra also. And we're getting Cricut Joy sticker paper cardstock. You're gonna get 10 sheets of this, and it's in the 5 different colors, which are these pretty pastels here. So it's like a mint, a soft blue, pink, a lilac lavender, and a soft yellow, and it's sticker paper cardstock. So you can go ahead and cut it and then peel it off. It's not sticker material, it's more like cardstock. Really good too if you want to do projects where you don't want people gluing. So you're doing a school project or something with a class or a Boy Scout or Girl Scout troop and you don't want to use glue. This is awesome because you just cut them and then they're stickers and they put it on, but it's material like cardstock. And then these sheets are 5 by 5 by 13 inches. And again, if you're using the Joy, you don't have to put it on a mat, but if you're not using the Joy, then you can still use these. You'll just put it on a mat. Within the box is a box. This is actually going to be the Essential Materials bundle for the Joy. So first in the materials bundle is a Cricut Joy card mat. So you can go ahead and make like insert cards, cutaway cards. And with this, you can actually make 3 different sizes of cards, the R10, the R20, and the R30. Silver and gold, silver and gold. We are going to get some Smart Iron-On in silver and gold. This is the Cricut Joy Smart Iron-On. You're going to get 5.5 by 24 inches of each, the gold and the silver. And we are getting Smart Vinyl in silver and gold also. And this is 10 feet of vinyl in each of these. I was like, that is a chunky roll there. So it's 5.5 inch by 10 feet. That is a lot. And think the silver and gold so good for holiday colors for stuff, always. And to go with that card mat, we are getting Cricut Joy insert cards, and this is the Princess Sampler. You can see it's got that pretty hollow in there. So this has everything to make 12 cards. This is gonna be the R20 size, so it's the 4.25 by 5.5. So you're going to get 3 tulip, 3 of the powder blue, which these in this light look white, but these are soft blue. How did these look? Yeah, this lighting. There we go. Now you can see there, that is the color tulip. and 3 whispering blue, which this is really green, more like sage green. I know it looks just like white here, but if I put it, there you go. If I put it up here, you can see that that's that color. Now I will show you the powder blue. See, it's actually not white. And the tulip. So there you can see the colors against it more. And then also 3 lavender too. It's always so hard to get these like in the lighting to show, but there we go. Against the white, you can definitely tell. And 12 of these silver holographic inserts to go in, and then you'll also get 12 envelopes. So you have 12 cards you could fully make here. A sell party. So that is everything that is in Cricut's Joy Silver Lining Mystery Box. And because we got our cutie in the box, it is for Cricut Access members only. It is for Cricut Access members only. And the box is $59.99. Nope. It's not. They used to be $59.99, but this year they have been $49.99. So it's $49.99 US and then $69.99 Canadian. But you have to be access to purchase it, so you get your access discount. All right, now as you guys know, if you're new, you might not know, but if you've been here, you know the mystery boxes sell out really fast. So links are below to go ahead and purchase those. We greatly appreciate when you use our links. We just get a small commission for that. But we really, really appreciate when you guys use those. Leave a comment below if you got the box. There's probably many people that missed out on this cutie last time because the box that had this Canyon cutie sold out really fast. Oh, and we have our... Okay, and every Halloween we have our annual Cricut Cutie costume contest. So that is going on this Saturday actually, and there's still time to enter. And 2 people are going to win $50 for prizes. So we have where you can make a cutie costume for the actual cutie, but we wanted everybody to be able to participate. So you don't have to have an actual cutie. You can, there's a flat cutie in Design Space that you can dress up also. I just dismantled my Tinkerbell. I had... My peach one was Tinkerbell. In the description below, I'll go ahead and put a link to the post that has all the information and then tells you the image number and everything for the flat cutie in Design Space. But we're going to go ahead and show those on Saturday, and you guys can win $50, so make sure and go ahead and enter. Oh, I know what I forgot to mention. We're having our Melody Lane Holiday Extravaganza, where we're going to have... It's going to be a 2-day event where we're going to have at least 8 different projects that are going to be presented. You're going to get files to and everything. We're going to sell tickets to that. And that will be fun. We're hoping to do this as an annual thing. And each presenter is going to be doing something different. Like we're all using our Cricut, but then kind of taking it to the next level with different stuff you can do with it. So thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all of those things. We will bring you these boxes. I know we always get comments and people are like, oh, I missed out. Just make sure you subscribe and then you hit that you get all alerts. That way when we have one come out, you don't have to miss. Also, I will throw in the links below in case you miss the YouTube alert. We also have an email that will go out right away so you can get an email to purchase the box. So if you'd like to do that, links are below to join our email list. And I think that's everything for now. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thank you to our Rockstar admin team, our supporters, and our Patreon folks. Thank you guys for joining. We hope you guys have a craftastic week. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks, guys. Happy crafting. Bye. And doodles. You're not the new, this is not the new one. I'm like, you traitor. That's not the new one. But toodles from Alex. Bye, guys.